how are we going to establish, or uh, create or make a frequency table? The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to know the number of classes. This is equal to the range of the data divided by the length, no? The length of the class frequency. The range here, we know that the range from the summary statistics is 39. Okay. If we're going to use the formula, we have 39, and then if we decide for the length of the class frequency, let's say we want to divide this into 5. No, the length is 5. Then we can identify the number of classes. That's 7.8. So that's approximately 8. Okay, so let's say approximately 8 classes. Okay, classes. And then since that we divide this by 5, what we're going to do, the lowest value here is actually 23. And we are going to start at 20 because 20 is divisible by 5. Then, there you are. Maybe we can have next 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, so there you are. Then maybe we can kind of here. And then up to 24. Then we have 29, the upper class interval. Then we have 34. Then we have 59. The next one is 44. Then we have 49. Then next we have 54. Then we have 59. And we have 64. So notice that 64, the upper limit, 64, so the maximum value is 62, so it's inside in 64. Okay, so when we do this, in the Microsoft Excel, there is what we call the bin. No? We have the lower bin, and there is also what we call the upper bin. Now, in the lower bin, we have 20, 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and we have 60. Then after this, the upper bin is actually 24, then 29, 34, 39, 44, 49, 54, 50, 59, and then we have 64. Okay, then what is computed in the data analysis tool is actually the upper bin, because this gives us the number of data 24 and below, 29 and below, 34 and below. So we are going to highlight this, but you notice that we will not include 64 because it will be automatically given by the Microsoft Excel. Then let's say to go to data, go to analysis, and then go to histogram. Okay, so what is the input range? So the input range is actually the agent. So you are. Then the bin range. The bin range is actually the upper bin. Okay, the upper bin there. Then the output range. We want to have the output range here. Okay, and then I will check, no? Check the chart. There you are. We have the bin, what we need, no? And the frequency. This is 59, so 60 and more. We are going to use the ages, no? To identify population mean, no? So the interval. Let's try to check this. Let me use the ages here. Copy this, then I'll be using another um, it. So what we have here, and then business center. Okay. Now, in this case, I will be using the data analysis tool. I'll go to data, click the data analysis. Then I have to click the descriptive. In the descriptive, I have to remove this. Also have to remove the output range. The input range, you click this data here, and there you are. And then the output range, you put the summary statistics here. Then summary statistics, and I need the confidence level and 95%. Then you click OK. There you are. Now, how are we going to do this? No? You notice that the thing that are needed for the confidence interval is actually the mean. The mean here, let me highlight this, and the confidence interval, 5%. There you are. What are we going to do? We are going to compute for the lower bound, the class interval, 95%. Okay, so what are we going to do? Write equal, and then you click the mean plus confidence level. So this is minus, I'm sorry, this is minus. So click the mean, no? Then minus is that we are computing the lower class, lower confidence interval, the lower bound minus confidence level at 37.39. And the upper bound, the confidence interval, 95%. We have, while we have the mean plus the confidence level. There you are. So what is our interpretation here? Our interpretation here is we are 95% confident the average age of the employee is between, okay, so let's say we are going to write this in a full number. Between 38 and 46 years of age. That's our the, the population mean. We are 95% confident for that population mean. Technically, we just use the average age is between 39 and 46 years. This is how we interpret.